Because I'm weird like that, I'm going to have this for breakfast. Because I don't feel like cooking and I don't know what else to make. I don't want eggs. So I'm going to eat this for 8 points. So I'm left with 26 points for the rest of the day. Okay, so here's how it looks. It makes about a half a plate. The portion is rather small, so I don't think I'm going to get full on this. I just added some pepper to it and I spilled it all over the counter. And I'm going to have 2 halos and 1 banana to help fill me up. And this is 8 points. These are 0 points. So I'm still left with 26 for the rest of the day. 26? Wait. 8. Okay, so I made a mistake, guys. This is how it looks when it's done. It makes about a half a plate. It's not big of a portion at all. This is more like a side. So I decided to add a banana and 2 cuties. It's actually 8 points, and I said I was left with 26. I'm actually left with 24 for the rest of the day. Okay, guys, so I ate the whole plate. As you can tell, I scraped it clean. This was the Vermont mac and cheese by Lean Cuisine. This was so good. I could see why it's 8 points because it actually tastes really cheesy and it doesn't taste like diet. So that was probably why it was 8 points. But I recommend this. It was super good. Hello, everyone. I'm going to have lunch. I'm prepping some tuna. This is a lot of tuna. This is a whole can, a 6-ounce can, and it's only 1 point. I have 2 tablespoons of, if I can grab it, light mayo. And I searched high-low for the fridge for celery, and I guess my sister used it all for chicken noodle soup, so I just chopped up some romaine lettuce. I chopped up 5-star Spanish olives. Those are 0 points, and those are, I've always liked those in my tuna. It just makes it like a little bit salty, and it tastes super good. And then I have 1 chopped, sorry, because I use the same knife as that, but it's already mixed together anyways. 1 egg, I hard-boiled an egg, and I threw away the yolk, and I chopped up 1 hard-boiled egg of egg whites. And I'm going to mix it all together. I'll show you how it looks, and I'm going to have it on these sesame flatbreads. Be right back. Hello, everyone. I'm done, and it made such a huge bowl of tuna. The egg and the lettuce really bulked it up. I added a little bit of pepper, and I added an extra tablespoon of mayo because of all the extra ingredients. So I spent 3 points on mayo, 1 point on tuna. All the vegetables were free. And I spent 2 points of the sesame flatbreads. I was going to have more, but I decided that I could load so much tuna on these, I only needed 2. So in total, this is 6 points. And those flatbreads are only a point a piece, so I'll probably have this later for snack with 2 more flatbreads or 1. The olives really do make a difference, guys. It like puts the salt in it, so you don't need to add any salt. It's really good for 5 olives. Chop them up, it's 0 points. And if you have over 5 olives, it's 1 point. And also the egg whites really bulks it up. Check this out. It's really good. It's flavorful. It's not plain. And it's perfect with 3 tablespoons. It's worth the points, guys, especially if you have these flatbreads. I got these at Safeway. They were $4, I believe. But I know they sell Wassa brand at Walmart, and they have other brands. Usually at all the stores, they have something like that. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. And I'll let you guys know how it is. I look super yucky, so I'm not going to record myself. Bye. You guys, I just ate a bite of that, and it's so good. I'm not crazy about the sesame seeds on the flatbread, but it's good. Bella's stuck on the chair. That's really good. Next time I'm gonna, they had the sesame flatbreads in the kind everything, you know, the ones like the everything bagels. Maybe I'll get those next. But they're good. I wish they were plain, but this is super good and it's worth the 6 points. See you guys at lunch. This is lunch. I mean, snack. Bye. When I last came on, I forgot to tell you how much points I had left. So I was left with 17 points after the tuna, which I still have half the tuna left. So I'm going to have that later, and it's not going to cost me any points unless I eat them with crackers. So I'm going to have 3 of these pretzel crisp, dark chocolate, and Mediterranean sea salt crunch. I'm going to have 3 of them. They're a point a piece, so I'm left with 14 points for the rest of the day. Okay, guys, I'm using the rest of the tuna from earlier, and I added 2 slices of the Sara Lee Delightful Bread. That cost 2 points, so I had 17 points after before those pretzel crisp, and now I'm left with 12 points for the rest of the day. Time for a snack. I'm having a Greek 100s whips. This is 4 points. It used to be 2 points, but it moved up to 4 points with the smart points, so I'm left with 8 points left for dinner. What a gloomy day it is. It was pouring earlier and it stopped raining, but it's so gloomy. But it is a nice time to work out. So, you guys, I don't know if you guys do this too, but let me set this setting to calories. This bike's really cool. Once it hits 100, it resets to start over. I just seen it. There we go. Okay, so I'm at 12.6 calories. I swear, I'm on this bike for like an hour, and I literally burn only like 300 calories, so I think I need to get a new machine, or I just need to intensify, but I have it on the highest intensity, so I don't know. But anywho, I'm not eating. This isn't part of what I'm eating, but I just thought I'd add this in. I am on the exercise bike, and I'm checking out the ads, and I already see cuties are on sale for $1.99, so gonna check this out, see what's on sale. I see turkeys on sale too. Jennie-O turkeys on sale for 2 for $5. Some chicken legs. Let's see. Juice. Nah, I don't need any juice. I'm gonna go ahead and keep looking at these ads, and then I'll be back at dinner time. Bye. Okay guys, here's dinner. I'm having a small pulled pork sandwich, counting it as 8 points. So I'm left with